This is the question paper of NTA UGC NET English. This, this paper was conducted on December 2011. Now the first question is that poems descriptive of rural life and scenery is written by. Option number C is correct, John Clare. Question number 2, Hemingway's novel A Farewell to Arms is divided into. Question number D is correct, 5 books. Means Ernest Hemingway's novel Farewell to Arms is divided into 5 books. Question number 3, Panopticism is the title of a chapter in a well-known book by. Panopticism is the title of a chapter in well-known book by. Option number C is correct, Michael Foucault. Michael Foucault is the name of that author who has written that book, and in that book there is a chapter and the title of the chapter is Panopticism. Question number 4, the lines "She was a worthy woman, all here, houseboats at church door she had 5" are an example of. This is an example of heroic couplet. Heroic couplet is the correct answer. Here the option number C is correct, heroic couplet. We should talk a little about heroic couplet. Heroic couplet is of 2 lines, and these 2 lines rhyme with each other. And we know that blank verse is also having 2 lines, but these 2 lines don't rhyme each other, and both of the terms, that is blank verse and heroic couplet, whatever the lines are there, they are written in iambic pentameter. Means one weak syllable is followed by one strong. If it is repeated for 5 times, then we call that there is iambic pentameter in the line. Okay, now the 5th question, who among the following women writers famously imagine the plight of Shakespeare's sister? Correct option is B, Virginia Woolf. Who among the following women writers famously imagine the plight of Shakespeare's sister? The correct option is B, that is Virginia Woolf. Now to question number 6. Read the following statement and the reason given for it. Choose the right response. Option number A is correct. Means see that assertion is that Dickens novels are called Newgate novels. Dickens novels are called Newgate novels, and the reason is that they are called so because Dickens adulates in these novels the careers and adventures of criminals. Now the option number A is correct. See that what it tells. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation. Okay. Means why the novels of Charles Dickens are called Newgate novel? Because Dickens adulates in these novels the careers and adventures of criminals. Now the question number 7. Who among the following writers does not belong to the group the university wits? This is one of the most famous questions asked in the exams, because we must know who were the university wits. Means what are these names? It should be kept in our mind. See that who among the following writers does not belong to the group of the university wits? Here the correct option is D, Thomas Kidd. Actually we know that Thomas Kidd is considered to be a university wits. Means he is taken in that group. But why he is not from why he is not considered to be a university wit? The reason is that he is not from any type of universities, that is Cambridge and Oxford University. He could not learn, or he could not take education from this university, therefore he was not taken as a university wit. I mean John Lilly, Thomas Nash, George Peele, Robert Greene, Christopher Marlowe, these are some of the university wits. Thomas Kidd could not take education from these two types of universities, that is Cambridge University and Oxford University. Therefore, he is not taken from that university. Therefore, the answer is Thomas Kidd. Which of the following characters of Webster's The White Devil utters the memorable words "oft gay and honor robs, those tortures try. We think catbirds sing when indeed they cry." And the correct option is Flaminio. Flaminio is the correct option. John Webster's The Devil, White Devil. The White Devil utters the memorable words. And the name of the character is Flaminio. Question number 9. All great literature is at bottom a criticism of life. This statement is attributed to. Correct option is B. Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold states that all great literature is at bottom a criticism of life. Okay, this line is very famous by Matthew Arnold. Question number 10. Who amongst the following is not a Jewish American novelist? Jewish American novelist. And the correct option is Henry Green. Henry Green is the correct option. He is not considered to be as a Jewish American novelist. Now the question number 11. Which among the following plays by Christopher Marlowe has epic features? And the correct option is D. Tamburlaine. Tamburlaine is a play. Tamburlaine is a play that has been written by Christopher Marlowe and it has epic features. Okay, now the question number 12. Sir Fopling is a character in. Sir Fopling is a character in. And the right option is C. Etherge, the Man of Mode. The Man of Mode is a literary work that has been written by Etherge. And in that work, there is a character, and the name of that character is Sir Fopling. Now, the question number 13. Who famously said, 3 or 4 families in a country village is the very thing to work on? Correct option is Jane Austen. Jane Austen famously said that 3 or 4 families in a country village is the very thing to work on. Now the 14th question. Ikeme Funa is a character in the novel. We have to identify the name of the novel in which Ikeme Funa, this character, is found. And the correct option is Things Fall Apart. Things Fall Apart. This is a literary work written by Chinua Achebe. Now the question number 15. A put consisting of a strong syllable followed by a weak syllable is called. A put consisting of a strong syllable followed by a weak syllable is called, question number, trochee. Trochee is the correct answer. Now the question number 16. What is it that Chaucer focuses on in the depiction of the wife of Bath in the Canterbury Tales? This is one of the most famous literary works written by Geoffrey Chaucer. We have to identify the right option. Option number B is correct. Defiance. What is that Chaucer focuses on the depiction of the wife of Bath in the Canterbury Tales? And correct option is Defiance. Question number 17. Put the following books of Pope, means Alexander Pope, in a sequence of publication. Answer the question with the help of the code given below. Correct option is C, means 4th, 2nd, 1st and 3rd. 4th, 2nd, 1st and 3rd. This is a correct sequence of publication. Means an essay on criticism was published firstly, then second time the Rape Abdullah was published, then the Dunciad was published, and last, that is An Essay on Man, was published. Therefore, option number C is correct. Okay, now the question number 18. Dina Morris. Dina Morris is a character in George Eliot's novel. Option number D is correct. Adam Bede. Adam Bede. Adam Bede is a novel written by George Eliot in which Dina Morris, this character, is appearing or is found. Question number 19. The Booker Prize is awarded by a panel of judges to the best novel by citizen of. Option number B is correct. The British Commonwealth or the Republic of Ireland. Means this is a citizen of the British Commonwealth or the Republic of Ireland is awarded the Booker Prize. The question number 20 and the last question in this video. A curtal sonnet consists of 11 lines. A curtal sonnet consists of 11 lines. In this way, 20 questions have been read here. As we know that this video includes 20 questions, and in the next video I am going to include 30 questions remaining from this question paper. Okay, thank you.